How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to crack your knuckles for beginners. It works every time. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. The first exercise we are going to do to crack your knuckles. Basically what happens is even though your knuckles may not make a sound, like I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to show you how to do it. And again, mine just made a pretty loud sound. And again, that one made a loud sound. That won't happen every single time. Like normally the first time you do it, like that really did make it maybe a little bit of sound. Normally the first time when you crack your knuckles, that's when you're going to hear the loud sound. But you still get all the benefits. Like the benefit is literally relieving tension. It helps with carpal tunnel. It does a lot of things to crack your knuckles. Don't worry about the sound. So what you do is you take this palm, and you want to put it right on the knuckle. This is the first knuckle, this is the second knuckle, and then just give it a little push. Just a little bit, just like this, push. This one too, just a little push, and that's it. That's all you have to do. I like to do it about 10 times. I'll do 1, 2, 3, and I'll do that about every 3 hours that I'm on the computer. If I'm on the computer all day, I'll do it about every 3 hours. That's what I recommend doing, you guys. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.